Reilly and the Magic Trolley. Reilly was bored. He wandered down the wintry high street, ignoring the rush hour queue of broomsticks and flying horses. Outside the supermarket Yr4, he paused and watched the shopping trolleys flying backwards and forwards. Grinning, Reilly had an idea. He grabbed hold of a trolley, leapt inside and whispered to it. A moment later he was flying down the high street, zipping up and over the rooftops. It was freezing, so Reilly tugged his cloak closer to him and asked it to warm him up. Obligingly it glowed. Reilly scanned the countryside below as he left the town. Soon he saw what he was looking for, Scupper's Pond. The trolley swooped low, skidded across the ice and came to a halt. For the next half hour, Reilly slipped backwards and forwards across the ice at alarming speed, doing wheelies and somersaults. Just as he was beginning to get fed up, he heard a sound like a gunshot. Desperately, Reilly ducked under his cloak and asked it to make him invisible. Anyone watching now would have seen an old shopping trolley sitting in the middle of a pond with ice beginning to crack around it. Like a broken mirror, the ice split and splintered. With a sudden rush, the trolley shot down into the freezing water. The silvery moon gleamed far above. There was a frosty silence. Then Reilly broke through the surface, coughing and spluttering. The cloak was bright red, trying hard to keep him warm in the freezing water. It threw out a lifeline to the bank, and Reilly was dragged across the pond and dumped back on safe land. Half an hour later, he was trudging back down the high street. The evening traffic had thinned. Just as he walked past Yr4, an efficient-looking elf flew up to him and settled on his shoulder. It glanced down at its clipboard. "We will need our trolley back by dawn, or you will be paying for a replacement," it squeaked. Reilly sighed. He knew that he was in real trouble now.